Genspark AI has released a new module, and this new module is called AI Music. It's brand new today for me, and I'm sure it will be for you too when you download Genspark. By the way, you can get Genspark AI free. You'll find a link in the description below, so feel free to grab it and try it out because it's a fantastic AI tool with so many powerful options. What can the AI music do? There's a whole range of things that appear. So if I just click on here, it's going to pop a new tab. And you'll see we've got a whole range of models we have access to here. So 11 Labs, Minimax, Cassad AI. So a good range of different tools we can use. We can then come in here and we've got some genres that we can scroll through, and you can see there's a lot of genres: jungle, house, classic. So you really got your pick of things here. And then finally, if I click assets, I have the ability to upload anything I want to add in. So we'll just close that up for now. So I'll use auto select because I found with Genspark AI, the best way to do it is use auto select because it'll choose the model it feels is best to actually create your needs. So let's give it a go. Create a 3-minute, actually, let's just make that a 2-minute loop of storm and rain sounds. So just say I'm creating a relaxation tape or something like that, something to listen to while I'm falling asleep. I want a loop of sound, and then I can repeat it more easily rather than trying to find a big long piece of sound. And so we'll let this go. We don't really need a genre because it's not really a genre. And let's see what happens. Okay, so it's trying to choose the right model. I can see sound effects have a maximum of 22 seconds per generation, 120 seconds loopable storm and rain soundscape. I'll generate multiple. So let's see what we've got. And we can see here 11 Labs. It's decided it's probably the best option. And there we go. It's pretty well finished. So it says that it's 6 seamless seconds of 22 seconds. Each segment features immersive heavy rain. And let's press one and have a listen. Sounds good. Softer. Yep. I haven't heard any thunder yet. Oh, speaking of thunder, there's the thunder. Try this one. This one. Various surfaces. And lastly, okay, that's excellent. So let's try something. I haven't tried this yet. Combine these into one audio track. Let's see what happens, because I don't know what's going to happen in this case. But there's only one way to learn things when it comes to AI, and quite frankly, that is just to put it in and see what it spits out. And sometimes it works perfectly and other times it doesn't. It's really unknown. So here we go. It looks like it's found the URLs where it's stored it in the AI drive. So obviously with Genspark, you get an AI drive. So anything that's created is stored on the AI drive, and you can come back to it later. And here's our download. So if I click on this, it'll probably download, but let's have a listen. And okay, so in this case, it's joined them all together really successfully. Now, this one here, I really like this one. So I'm going to just get the number of this one, make a 2-minute track out of. So I'm not going to tell it what to do again. I want to see what it does with that ID number. And hopefully it should just repeat that one loop. And if it does, we should get a kind of a seamless track that then we can multiply out. We don't want something that's too small. If I'm going to do a 30 minutes of, say, meditation sound, I really don't want to have to extrapolate, paste to make a big one. I'm not brilliant with audio software. I'm just a user. So let's have a look. It's now saying to me, Is this one of the 6 I just created? It's okay. So it's number 1. Oops. No, it's not. Stop. Sorry. It's number 4. Sometimes it helps if you count, doesn't it? Okay, so it's going to now create a looping segment. Okay, so it's going to merge the audio to 120 seconds. I like the fact that it clearly tells you what it's doing. And I think sometimes that's important because you want to understand how it thinks, but also you want to understand how you can improve your own thinking when you're using the AI. So next time, rather than just saying, do this, I might say, please repeat this to reach exactly 120 seconds, because that's a more accurate way of prompting the AI. Now, the great thing about Genspark is because it is such a powerful AI tool, it really does do a lot of the heavy lifting for you when it comes to the thinking. So it's absolutely worth trying just purely because of that. It's so much better than just using ChatGPT or one of those tools because of the fact that it is actually like an agent in itself, and it has the ability to think about what are you trying to say, and it will come back and ask you questions to get clarity. Okay, so here we go. Download 2-minute storm track. Yep. Okay, so you can hear there's that consistency through there. It's ongoing. It sounds the same levels, same tones, everything. So that's great. So now I have a 2-minute and 6 sections, so 126 seconds, pretty close enough that doesn't really matter. And I can now download that track. So if I click download, there it is there, and I click here and go download. I can then save that to my desktop or wherever else I want to save it. I'll just close that and go back. Okay, so that's how we can do that. Let's try something a little different. Let's go in here and we're going to create some pop because I like pop music. In fact, I like most music. Create a short intro sting for a podcast about, okay, which model is it going to use? 10 to 15 across 4 models in MOA mode. I have no idea what MOA modes is, so I guess that's something I'm going to have to look up now and find out. Sure, it's got music something. Okay, so 11 labs we're starting with, Lyria, and oh, yeah, so Google Lyria. Okay, I haven't seen that one. But then again, there's new models every day, so it's almost impossible to keep up. So if you look up the top here, we'll now see the latest ones are sitting up the top here. So let's have a listen. Okay, that's cool. I like that one. Okay. Okay, that's a great one. Like that's got a good sting to it, and it hits those big chords at the end there, and the drums come in and everything. Fantastic. And now I can drop that into one of my other programs and just put a voiceover on it if I want to for my podcast. So that works really well. So look, that's the new tool from Genspark. It's Music AI. And if you look when you log in now, it's just sitting here, AI Music. It's got new underneath it, so you can't miss it, which makes it a lot easier. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing this new one. As I said, download the free software. The link's below in the description. It will cost you nothing to try it. And if you like it like I do, become a member and use it to grow your business. And if you like the software, use it. It's extremely powerful, and it's the best piece of software I've come across in a long time, and I love it. So please subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.